प्रभु जय सद्गुरु स्वामी सहजानंद दयाळु सहजानंद दयाळु बलवंत बहुनामी जय सद्गुरु स्वामी जय सद्गुरु स्वामी प्रभु जय सद्गुरु स्वामी सहजानंद दयाळु सहजानंद दयाळु बलवंत बहुनामी जय सद्गुरु स्वामी.
Obviously, Uganda Mandal is very much happy and delighted. As of yesterday, we received Puja Kothari Swami, Puja Tyagula Swami, and 34 Santos. And today we are having Puja Iswa Swami and Puja Anand Swami with Santos. So we are very much delighted and very much happy. Obviously, the Golden Jubilee has started as from today. Kampala Mandal's chairman and trustee board's chairman, Parambagudi Shri Bhikkhu Bhai, to garland Puja Iswa Charan Swami. Shri Swami Narayan Bhagwanani. And we will tell Pujya Navnit Kaka Bhagat to garland Pujya Anand Sarup Swami. Akshar Purushottam Maharajani Jai. I would request one of these devotees, his name is Mr. Peter, to come and give his experience, that what he experienced, what he knows Babs and what he knows Param Pujya Pramukh Swami Maharaj. So at this juncture I will request Mr. Peter to come and give his feelings and give his words here.
Today I'm very, very happy to celebrate Golden Jubilee of BAPS this year 2010-2011. I would like to first introduce you myself. I'm a born of Gulu. I'm a Ugandan. I joined BAPS in 1998 and I could not stop there only. It was somehow a little bit difficult for me, like any other person joining another religion. But what I'd seen in BAPS, there was nowhere I can compare, and there was no doubt whether I can go back or I can stop. I have to get a lot of courage, and there was a lot of happiness in me. December 1998, I took time, I wrote my letter to my Guru, Pramukh Swamiji Maharaj, and within a very short time, something like not even a month, the letter came back with a lot of blessing and encouragement, telling me to continue every day regularly, either Saturday or Sundays, to come to by BAPS Kampala. He told me there is nothing to worry. You will pray to Hari Krishna Maharaj and you will give me courage. And it is true, I got courage. In 1999, that was the first time I got initiated in this BAPS by our Guru Pramukh Swamiji Maharaj. That was the beginning of new life and a new chapter, and closed everything of tension where I could get shy to anybody. When Baba blessed me and he touched on my head, it was like eyes here. I got peace in my mind and I knew, yes, what I want is now there. I got BAPS as the only place where somebody can get peace, somebody can get change. BAPS is a religion which unites everybody without socialism of color, tribe, size or whatever. BAPS is one in everything. In BAPS everybody is equal, everybody is happy, provided you know what you are doing and you pray. BAPS, it is not only maybe where you think you change your behavior or you change your life it is even helping you how to know how to economize, how to control your mind, how to live in society, how to be social to everybody. What I got in satsang, I'm not here either for work or for money or nothing. I'm here spiritually to clean my heart and to find the last destination, which is here, Akshadam. Akshadam is heaven. That's what everybody believes. One day after this life, someone must go in eternal life. That one in heaven. We can get this only in satsang. I always move with my mala. It is like my gun. If any tension will come, anybody who will try to scare me, I pick it, I start Swaminarayan, Swaminarayan. Calling the name of God makes me free and fair in whatever I will do. Please, BAPS is here for you. I would like to request and I would like to pray that one day in Africa, in Uganda, should it come also some Africans who could also put in like the Santos, that will be very great for me. Yes, Swaminarayan.
On the occasion of our temple's Golden Jubilee celebration, on behalf of BAPS Uganda, fondly known as Bivologoma, Dio, I take this opportunity to once again welcome you all. The 4-day festival is going to take us through 50 years of our organization's social and spiritual journey in Uganda. Gratitude and appreciation to our brothers and sisters, the families from the Fire Brigade and the Nakibo Primary School. I would emphasize here that your support and understanding and cooperation has really gone deep into the hearts of the BAPS fraternity. It will be remembered for maybe another 50 or more years to come. I would say, my brothers and sisters, we have really manifested that slogan of love thy neighbor, and I want to take this opportunity to thank you for that. I want to invite our learned saint, whom was introduced earlier, Pujya Anand Swarup Swami, to come and address the gathering with educating and enlightening talk. Pujya Anand Swarup Swami. Thank you. Jai Swaminarayan.
On behalf of BAPS and His Divine Holiness Sri Pramukh Swami Maharaj, who is both the administrative as well as the spiritual head of BAPS, we thank you sincerely for giving us an opportunity to serve you. Yours is a service which is indispensable, which is very necessary for smooth running of any society. BAPS is the name of our organization, and BAPS is also wedded to many humanitarian services. It is a socio-spiritual organization, and under the auspices of BAPS, we run more than 160 humanitarian activities. Members of martial tribes gave up meat and drink. They renounced the use of opium and tobacco, to both of which most of them were very much addicted. This was the force of personality of Bhagavan Swaminarayan. Anybody coming into his contact would change his life, and he would find peace in his life. So the first vow, the first pledge Bhagavan Swaminarayan would give, please don't take alcohol. That would ruin your life. It would ruin your health. It will ruin your intellect. It will cause quarrels in your family. So that was the first thing he would say. The second thing is, he would even say no to meat eating. And now there is a book written by a person called John Robbins, A Diet for New America. He's a billionaire. And that person puts a case in favor of vegetarianism. And he says why it is necessary. Economically, it is better to be a vegetarian than a non-veg. From the point of morality, it is better to be a vegetarian than a non-vegetarian. From the point of spirituality, it is better to be a vegetarian than non-vegetarian. From the point of view of health, it is better to be a vegetarian than a non-vegetarian. This was the second pledge given by Bhagavan Swaminarayan. So once again, I sincerely appreciate the work that you have done. And once again, I send my deep gratitude on behalf of BAPS Swaminarayan Sanstha and our Guruji Pramukh Swami Maharaj for the cooperation that you have given, and I hope this won't be the last. Thank you and Jai Swaminarayan.
I'm called Simon Peters, okay? I'm the Chief Officer, Police Fire Brigade, and I'm very, very delighted to be in front of you. I congratulate you upon your Golden Jubilee of the BAPS Uganda. I welcome all our guests, both from far and near. I'm part of this community because you live within our locality. So I welcome you. You are welcome to Uganda. And on behalf of my colleagues from the Fire Brigade, I'd like to thank the entire community of the BAPS for the gifts you have given us. We have been told it's a big package, and we are very, very grateful. Thank you very much.